Well, good morning, everybody. I'm going to give you guys an update on the little smackers. We have, let's see here, a big brindle boy. We have Sony right here, Majors right here. Let's see. Put these two fellers side by side and see who's bigger. So they look like they're about the same. Then we have, this is a dark brindle guy, I think. Let me see, fat belly boy. Hi big guy. Oh, aren't you cute with milk all over your face? Yeah, this is the guy going to Jacksonville. Let's see here. Who else? It's hard to differentiate Monroe and the other girl, but this brindle girl right here is still available. And also this brindle girl right here, that's you, right? You're a brindle girl, little cutie. Oh, you guys are soaking wet. Is still available. So, everybody's happy and healthy. Just want to give you guys a little update.